Hey everyone, Dan here. Today, I'll walk you through the differences between our board types. Let's get started. There are 3 board types to work with in monday.com: main, shareable, and private. While the overall structure is the same, each type provides a different level of access to cater to various use cases. First up, we have main boards. With main boards, the name of the game is transparency. Whether you're an admin, team member, or viewer, you'll be able to see and interact with all main boards on your account. This allows for team-wide collaboration and visibility. Next are shareable boards. Need to share info with people outside of your organization? Shareable boards have you covered. These boards allow you to invite external members as guests so you can collaborate with anyone from clients to interns to freelancers. To invite a guest, click on Guests and Subscribers and type in their email here. Once they accept the invite, your guests will be able to log in and see only the board you invited them to. Team members must also be invited in order to access shareable boards. You can invite your internal users on the left side of the Guests and Subscribers window. Shareable boards are available on our Standard, Pro, and Enterprise plans. Finally, we have private boards. From HR to payroll to that screenplay you're not quite ready to reveal, private boards are great for housing anything you want to keep, well, private. Initially, private boards will only be seen by the user who creates them. With that said, you can give access to internal team members by adding them to the subscribers list. Private boards are accessible on our Pro and Enterprise plans. Need to switch one of your existing boards to a different type? No problem. You can do so by right-clicking the board name on the left pane, or through the board menu on any of your boards. That's it for now. Click here for more tips on getting started with monday.com.